Japan is known for its cutting-edge technology, but did you know that even Japanese toilets are some of the most advanced in the world? Forget basic toilets, Japan has turned them into high-tech masterpieces. Today, we're diving into the amazing features of Japanese toilets and why they're light years ahead of the rest of the world. From heated seats to built-in bidets and even talking toilets, Japanese bathrooms are like something out of a sci-fi movie. Stay tuned to find out why. Once you use a Japanese toilet, you'll never want to go back. 1. Heated toilet seats. No more cold shocks. Ever had that uncomfortable shock of sitting on an ice-cold toilet seat in winter? Well, in Japan, toilet seats are heated to give you a warm and cozy experience no matter the season. Why it's amazing! Adjustable temperature settings for maximum comfort. Energy-saving mode to conserve electricity, perfect for cold winters and luxury home bathrooms. 2. Built-in bidets, no need for toilet paper. Say goodbye to regular toilet paper. Japanese toilets come with built-in bidets that offer a gentle, hygienic, and refreshing clean at the press of a button. Why it's amazing! Fully adjustable water pressure and temperature. Front and back cleaning options for ultimate hygiene. Some even have self-cleaning nozzles for extra sanitation. 3. Noise-cancelling features. Say goodbye to embarrassment. Ever felt awkward using a public toilet when someone is nearby? Japanese toilets have an answer for that, the sound feature. Why it's amazing. Plays a flushing sound to mask any noises, reduces water waste by avoiding unnecessary flushes. Common in hotels, malls and restaurants in Japan. 4. Automatic lid and flushing hands-free experience. In Japan, some toilets open and close automatically and flush on their own, so you never have to touch anything. Why it's amazing! Motion sensors detect when you enter and lift the lid. Automatic flushing means no need to touch dirty buttons. Some even have foot sensors for hands-free control. 5. Self-cleaning toilets always spotless. Cleaning toilets is never fun, but in Japan, some high-tech toilets clean themselves. Why it's amazing! Antibacterial surfaces prevent germ buildup. UV light sterilization in some models. Self-rinsing bidet nozzles keep everything clean. 6. Eco-friendly features saving water and energy. Japanese toilets aren't just high-tech. They're also designed to be eco-friendly. Why it's amazing! Dual flush options, big flush, small flush to save water. Energy-efficient seat heating and sensors to reduce power use. Some toilets reuse hand-washing water for the next flush. So, what do you think? Japanese toilets aren't just toilets, they're an experience. Have you ever used one? Which feature surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool Japanese technology and culture content.